In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create links on Google Drive app to share files or folders. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Drive app and then search for a file or folder you would like to share. Then tap at three dots next to it and then tap at Manage Access. That's where, highly likely, just under the General Access, it will say Restricted. Restricted option is set by default for all the files and folders on your Google Drive. And first of all, guys, before sharing the file, we need to change that access. All you have to do is just tap at Restricted, then tap right here, and then select anyone with the link. After that, after a couple of seconds, you will be able to copy the link to that particular file by tapping right here at that button. It says copy to clipboard, and then we can share this link via any messenger, via social media platform, and the user who will get the link will be able to get access to this file because we've said there that anyone with the link can view this file. By default, user can just view that file without editing it because down below here it says viewer. We can easily change it if we tap right here, and then we can change viewer to commenter or editor. Editor means that user with the link to our file can edit it and save the changes. To share the link with someone, you can open up any messenger. I prefer to use Telegram, and then we just can open up a conversation, and then in this way we can paste the URL we copied, and that's how we can send it to our friend. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.